Hey guys, welcome back to Dude We Can Fix It. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your Toyota Highlander. And also, I'll show you how to reset your maintenance required light. Let's get started. Now you'll need a 14mm socket to remove the drain bolt. Alright, now take your old drain bolt, remove the original gasket, and install a new gasket. There we go. Now use your 14mm socket to get this plug nice and tight. There we go. The gasket has squished down a little bit. That indicates to me that this is nice and snug and there won't be any oil leaks. Next, we're going to remove and replace the oil filter. You can access the oil filter one of two ways. You can access it from the top underneath the exhaust manifold, but make sure you give this vehicle sufficient time to cool off if you're going this route because it will burn you. Option 2, you can take some bolts out of this splash shield underneath the vehicle and remove this center section. On this vehicle, however, the splash shield is already kind of just hanging loose, so I'm not going to worry with actually removing it. You can look inside of here and see the oil filter right there. So reach in and unscrew the oil filter. There we have it. This is a 21348. At this point, you'll want to look at the old oil filter and make sure that this blast gasket is still attached. Then you'll also want to look in here to the mating surface and make sure that it is nice and clean and wipe it down with a paper towel. Now that we can inspect and see that the mounting surface is clean, we are ready to install the new oil filter. Now we will compare the old oil filter side by side with the new oil filter. Make sure that they are the same height, width, and depth. They do appear to be the same functional unit. Now we use just a little bit of oil out of this new jug to lubricate the gasket mating surface. Now this is ready to be installed. Toyota is really good about choosing terrible places for oil filters. Now we will tighten the oil filter hand tight. You should not use any tools when installing the new oil filter or you might over tighten it. There. Now we will start by adding 3 to 4 quarts of oil. This uses 5W30. Now we will start the vehicle and move it to a level surface to check the oil level. Alright, now we will check the oil level on the dipstick. Take it out and wipe it and reinsert. I can see that we are still below the low mark over here. So I'm going to add another quart of oil and check it again. See that the oil is now between the low and high mark. I'll continue to add oil in small increments until I get to the full mark. Looks like this V6 engine is made to take a total of 5 quarts. Now that we have the oil changed, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. Put your key in, turn it over to the on position, but do not crank the engine. Next, we'll press the odometer button until the total mileage displays. Next, we will turn the key to the off position. All right, so press and hold the odometer button. Turn ignition to on. See the maintenance required light went off. We can release the odometer button, and that is how you reset the maintenance light. As you can see, it is no longer there. So that's how you change the oil and reset the maintenance light in your Toyota Highlander. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your bell notifications for future videos. As always, thanks for watching. Dude, we can fix it.